Progress Toward Reconstruction. July 8, 2020 by Anna von Reitz. The state assemblies are now in high gear and building huge new presence and automated service conduits to make it easier for Americans to officially, easily, and inexpensively correct their political status by mail or online. This basic correction can be supplemented with additional paperwork for specific purposes. People are invited to investigate the options and see what additional actions make sense for them and their families. 50 new assembly websites are being constructed, which include online training programs and individual state information and access to services that include state credentials and public recording and public notice service. This is just the start. Please be patient, as this is an extensive amount of work being done by an all-volunteer team and financed by direct donations. We are doing fine and muckling through the many obstacles, but the coordinators are extraordinarily busy, and of course, so are all the members of the living law firm. So, it's stiff upper lip and tromp onward time as we shift from a small movement of dedicated researchers, historians, fiscal auditors, lawyers, and authors to a much larger and more mobile and computerized popular movement in all 50 states. We are also building peacekeeping forces at local, state, and interstate levels via constitutional sheriffs, state assembly militias, and continental marshals. All of this is taking place organically, at different rates in different states, a situation that will resolve as the more standardized computer tools and learning module materials become available to every state. It's a real grassroots American DIY project, but I have faith in our oddball genius to build what we set out to build, and it's an exciting process. There will be announcements and contacts and all sorts of fun things going on. All 50 assemblies are beginning to build their new archives with donations of digital reproductions of key historical documents and books and other records that prove everything we have brought forward, and which will help educate members and prepare the assemblies to undertake all functions they are heir to. We look forward to flying the peacetime flag and welcoming new members to the hard work and challenges of rebuilding, that is, reconstructing American states of states, and having restored our Confederation, likewise restoring the missing Federal Republic. The key to this is that it is all coming forth from the people of this country, not our European-led and controlled employees. This is the actual American government as it was always meant to be. Links to Anna's articles and resources can be found in the video description box. Thank you for subscribing, liking and sharing.